Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi guys. So welcome back to another course walkthrough untuk Diploma in Accountancy, and this video for semester yang keempat. So a few days ago I just finished my final exams. Basically there were 6 subjects that I have to sit for, and yeah, it's quite okay. So in today's video there will be 3 sections. First one is for the courses untuk semua subjek yang korang akan ambil dekat semester yang keempat. And then the second one is my prediction, okay, untuk grade for each subject. And then the last will be, as usual, me reacting to my final result. So let's get into the video. So untuk semester yang keempat, tak akan ada lagi CTU, apa lagi, core curriculum, core lah, and then also tak ada ELC. So basically untuk semester keempat, more untuk subjek-subjek yang like business subject ke, okay. We have also accounting subject. Macam biasa kita ada FA, ada math, and then there will be additional, iaitu taxation. So for the first 3 subjects, I will be talking about just a really short description for each courses for this video. So yeah, this video will be really short, I hope so. And let's start with the first 3 subjects, which are Eco 211, Law 346, and also MKT 243. So basically, let's go for Eco 211 first. So Eco 211 is macroeconomics. So masa korang SEM 1 ada microeconomics. So dekat SEM 4 ni korang akan belajar yang makro pula. So the difference adalah perbezaan dari segi apa yang korang belajar lah, scope of the economics tu sendiri. Like micro more into the individual, something like that, right? But for the macro it lagi broad lah, lagi meluas about macroeconomic problems, ada international trade, and also untuk Eco 211 there will be a lot of calculations. So almost each chapter ada calculation dia sendiri. And for that, if korang nak betul-betul faham, like really know how to calculate it, please make sure do a lot of practices lah, because soalan akan lebih kurang sama. So if you understand the basic, the concept, then inshallah you can answer every question regarding to calculation lah. For the rest, you need to understand concept jugalah, especially bila jawab soalan objectives. You need to know how this works, how that works. So yeah, basically Eco 211 is okay lah. Next subject is Law 346, okay, ataupun Introduction to Partnership and Company Law. So untuk semester ni, law yang korang akan belajar ialah berkenaan partnership, okay, jenis-jenis partnership. And then company, korang akan belajar law berkenaan apa tugas auditor ke, secretary ke, apa, whatever related to that. And then for my batch, ada new syllabus which is capital and financial instrument. So korang akan belajar jugalah cara orang law berkenaan shares, okay, about those financial instrument. And for law macam biasa, as usual, cara jawab sama macam for the previous semester. Macam mana korang belajar law, macam mana korang jawab law, is all the same. Okay, yang difference adalah apa-apa yang korang belajar, topik apa yang korang belajar, cara jawab still the same. Okay, so untuk law ni, for me it's quite hard, okay, untuk company law. I don't know why. It's even though it's open book, but still it takes time to understand lah for a particular topic. But overall, it's okay. Next is MKT 243 atau Fundamentals of Marketing. So untuk MKT ni tak ada apa sangat. It's just about marketing atau macam biasa, how to set maybe a price atau macam mana korang nak tarik perhatian customers. Korang belajar macam mana the business itself promote the company ke. It's all related to marketing lah. Okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, it's just subjek biasa, so nothing to worry. Korang just need to belajar and faham a certain. Dia banyak korang kena faham terms lah basically. Okay, if you understand the terms, then everything will be fine. Next is 4 subjects yang related to accounting. Okay, first one is Math 251 ataupun Cost and Management Accounting 2. Okay, the second one. So untuk Math 251 ni basically still the same lah. Cara macam mana korang jawab math sebelum ni. It's all about banyak kira-kira, and then for this semester you have to make a decision lah, a short decision, like macam should this company continue producing this product ataupun should company adapt this cara ke ataupun that cara. It's basically still the same. Banyak calculation, like every chapter of course ada calculations. Cuma during the final exam, I have to be frank, it was quite hard for me to really answer the questions because soalan dia tak banyak direct. Dia banyak menggunakan hidden message. I don't know. Okay, so korang kena elaborate your own way lah. So yeah, maybe you need to do a lot of practices. Okay, especially for final exam. But overall, this subject is still boleh go lah. Okay, so yeah. Then we have 270 Financial Accounting 4. Okay, ni dari SEM 1 ada kan. Korang belajar FA sampailah nanti semester 5 pun ada FA. Okay, so untuk FA 270 for the 4th semester, korang akan belajar lagi banyak MFRS. Okay, the continuation for the previous semester lah, from the previous semester. Okay, korang basically akan belajar MFRS, and then untuk the previous file korang ada belajar publish account kan. So the publish account akan still ada dekat semester yang keempat. So korang jangan lupalah cara the format and whatsoever. Cuma ECC dia akan makin bertambah because you are learning new MFRS kan, in detail. So untuk adjustment dia akan bertambah lah. The portion still the same, but maybe dia tukar MFRS lah, dia tukar untuk apa yang korang belajar di semester. Okay, the portion of the question is still the same, bukan dia tambah makin bertambah adjustment ke apa. No, just like untuk adjustment mostly adalah untuk new MFRS yang korang akan belajar semester keempat. Okay, untuk korang complete the published accounts, and the rest of the question untuk final exam still macam previous lah. Korang akan contoh question 2 ni untuk this MFRS, question 3 untuk this MFRS. Okay, untuk question 1 memang akan tetap publish account. And yeah, still a lot of reading. Okay, korang kena faham this concept, that concept, how this works, how that works. Because if you don't really understand, korang susah nak jawab tau. Okay, especially soalan-soalan yang disuruh determine ke. Okay, so you really need to know, understand, comprehend everything about that particular MFRS. So untuk 270 this time for me it's quite good, it's quite okay. Okay, you just need to study more lah. Okay, me myself, I need to study more, but I didn't do this semester. I didn't do well. Okay, but still yeah, okay lah. Kalau korang tambah effort, then insyaAllah it will be fine for you. So for the last subject, iaitu Tax 267 ataupun Taxation one, and this is of course not my favorite subject, my least favorite for this semester. Because it's too much for me. I don't know for orang lain, but for me it's too much, but still manageable lah. Okay, apapun, if you learn maybe if you learn enough, then everything will be fine. But kalau korang jenis yang tangguh, okay, jenis yang malas nak fahamkan, so maybe it's quite hard lah. Okay, for me, in the middle. So yeah, it's still hard for me. And untuk tax ni, korang akan belajar cara kira personal tax atau personal income tax ataupun business punya ke ataupun employee, okay, all related to taxation lah. Apa yang menyebabkan this is not my favorite subject is for each isi, okay, dia akan ada format lah. Okay, for each question ada format dia, apa nak kena tambah, apa nak tolak apa. Okay, isi dia tu yang buat I think this leceh lah, this subject is so leceh, because for each statement, for each orang cakap particular tu, korang kena evaluate dia banyak tau, like rule dia apa, nak kena buat apa dengan dia ni, apa yang tak boleh, ada dia punya restriction ke. So benda-benda tu korang kena ingat. Okay, even dia open book, tapi you have no time to cari that particular apa dia punya rule. At least you kena ingat ground rule dia macam mana. So itu yang membuatkan it's quite tough. Okay, unless you study well. So yeah, basically that's all. Okay, for tax, as I mentioned before, this is not my favorite subject, my least favorite, but still manageable, inshallah. So I think that's all for tax. Next, let's go to my prediction for each subject. Okay, apa yang I'll get for final result lah. Okay, so for Eco 2-in-1, I put A-, because my carry marks tak bagus sangat lah. 11% off means I get like 49 out of 49 out of 60% for carry marks. And then for Law 346, I put A solid, because my carry mark okay, and then the final exam pun okay. So yeah, it's possible for me to get A+, but still I just put A solid. I don't want to get my hope tinggi sangat. And then for MKT 243, A solid, because same with law, my carry mark I think okay, and then final exam pun okay. And for math, I put A solid juga. Okay, even though I said final exam they're quite hard, right? I don't even have a time to recheck my question and my answer and all that, but still my carry mark yang membuatkan I think yeah, it's possible for me to get A solid lah. Okay, paling tak pun A-, but I still hope for A solid because of my carry mark. Okay, so only 3% off means 37 out of 40%. And then for FAR, I put A-, okay, because I don't know why, I just put A-. Okay, for tax, also A-, because this semester I don't want to get any B lah. Okay, if possible semuanya A- and above. Because of what? Sebab I predict my GPA to be 3.8 and above. So guys, I deleted my fifth stage rating to my results, but let's just compare my predictions. So alhamdulillah, I got 4 flat this semester, got all A's except for law, got A+. And for my predictions, I thought I would get A- for FAR, tax, and macroeconomics. But alhamdulillah, I got A for those subjects. And I think that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next semester. Bye.